Now let's see about cout and cin objects in C++. Cout is a predefined object which is available in iostream.h. We have a header file called iostream.h where I stands for input stream, O stands for output stream. Here cout object is available in iostream.h. Cout represents output stream. Okay. Now let's see the advantage of cout object. Cout object is mainly useful in order to display data on the monitor. It is just like printf function which we uses in C programming language. In order to display data on the monitor, cout object uses less than operator. Here less than is called as insertion operator, or this can also be called as put2 operator. So less than operator is called as insertion operator or put2 operator. Let's take an example here. Let we have a statement like this: int a is equal to 10, cout less than a. This is example 1. Let we have one more statement, example 2, cout less than within the double quotations hello. So here let's see the first example, int a is equal to 10, cout less than a. So whenever the statement is executed, then the value of a will be displayed on the monitor. So what is the value of a? 10. So 10 will be displayed on the monitor. If you take this example, cout less than within the double quotations hello. So whenever the statement is executed, then the content which is enclosed in double quotations, that is hello, will be displayed on the monitor. Now let's see what is the duty of less than operator. Here less than is known as insertion operator or put2 operator. So less than operator inserts the contents of the variable which is on its right side to the corresponding object on its left hand side. So if you take this example, here the variable contains a value called 10. So this insertion operator inserts this variable's value to the object on its left hand side. So now cout object contains a variable's value called 10. So now cout object displays the 10 on the monitor. So this is the task of cout operator. Okay. So here what the less than operator will do, less than operator inserts the value of a to the object. So now the value of a is available in cout object. So cout object displays the 10 on the monitor. If you take this example, then insertion operator inserts the content hello into the cout object. So cout object displays hello message on the monitor. Now let's see about cin object in C++. Cin is a predefined object which is available in iostream.h. Cin object represents input stream. Now let's see the advantage of cin object. Cin object is mainly useful in order to read data from the keyboard. So it is just like scanf function that we uses in C language. In C language we use a scanf function to read data from the keyboard, whereas in C++ we uses cin object in order to read data from the keyboard. Now let's take an example. Let me have a statement like this: int a cin greater than a. So whenever the statement is executed, then the cin expects an integer value from the keyboard. So whenever we enter an integer value, then the corresponding integer value will be stored in the corresponding variable. Okay. Now let's see this diagram so that we will get the complete idea about what is cin object. Here in cin object we are using an operator called greater than operator. So this greater than operator is called as extraction operator, or this can also be called as get from operator. So greater than is called as extraction operator or get from operator. So greater than operator, what it do is, first of all, cin object reads data from the keyboard. Okay, cin object reads data from the keyboard. Let us assume that we have entered 10. then greater than extracts that 50 from the cin object and assigns that 50 to the corresponding variable which is available on its right hand side. Okay, so let us assume that we have entered a value called 10. So now cin object reads the corresponding number from the keyboard. So greater than operator extracts that value from the keyboard or extracts that value from the object and assigns the corresponding value to the variable which is available on its right hand side. Let us assume that we have entered 10 here. Now greater than operator assigns the corresponding value to the variable which is available on its right hand side. Here this less than is nothing but bitwise left shift operator, whereas this greater than is nothing but bitwise right shift operator. But here we are implementing operator overloading. In C++ we have a concept called operator overloading. Operator overloading means using the same operator for different purposes. Here we are not using less than for bitwise left shift. Here we are using less than operator in order to insert the contents of the the content of the variable which is available on its right hand side to the object which is available on its left hand side. Okay, so likewise here we are using greater than not for bitwise right shift. Okay, here we are using greater than in order to extract a value from the keyboard or in order to extract a value from the object and assign them to the corresponding variable. So this is about cout and cin object in C++ programming language. So cout is nothing but output statement, whereas cin is nothing but input statement. Cout is nothing but printf, cin is nothing but scanf.